Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how you can upgrade your system from a Windows 11. We're on a Home Edition and we're trying to get to Windows 11 Pro Edition. So if I take a look and go to Start and do System Information, you can do this as well. You can take a look and see that you have Windows 11 Home. So it says Microsoft Windows 11 Home. Now there's a couple tricks to this. It's a little bit wanky trying to get this thing to work. So first you need to take a look at your activation. So if you go to system and then activation, you can take a look. Like mine says it's not active. And there's a product key here that's it's like a KMS key that was installed with the system, but it's not active. So what we need to do, if you click on change here, you can change your product key, but you're gonna run into an error trying to put this in because it's going to try to connect to the internet and then it's going to blast you with an error stating that you can't connect or can't activate. So before you do this, I want you to just go ahead and hit start and type in network connections. So you're just going to type in net and view your network connections here. I want you to disable them when you get inside here first. Very important for this piece. Okay. So disable your network connections, whatever you have. I want you to disable them first. There you go. So you have no connection to the internet whatsoever, right? No Wi-Fi, nothing. And then we're going to use this generic key right here. And we're going to copy it and we're going to put it in from Home Edition. We're going to put this in and try to push it. So it's going to go in. This is a generic KMS Windows Pro key. Okay, so the objective is we need to get the box from Home Edition first, right? So it says upgrade the edition right here. So the process is we need to get your system from Home first into Pro. So we need to start the process and it's going to prepare for the upgrade. So what this is going to do, this is not going to activate your system right now. This is going to upgrade the system. Okay, that's what I want you guys to understand first. So we're going to take whatever system you have on the home and we are going to upgrade it. Once the system is upgraded and you have an official Windows Pro version, then we're going to activate that version. So right now you have home, it's having issues or you have a bad product key or whatever. It's cool. We're going to upgrade that edition to Pro. Now, once we get into Pro, the key that I just showed you is not going to work to activate. This is where you need to purchase an actual key. So go ahead and make sure you have that key. Don't put that key that you have in here. Use the key that I just showed you on screen. That's what you need to do the upgrade. And then I will show you how to activate that key that you purchased afterwards. I'm going to pause the video here. Enough for me talking. Hopefully you kind of understand what I did. Let this run. I'll see you guys later once it's complete, and this should show Windows 11 Pro in a little bit. So until give me about a few minutes, let this run, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm just checking back in with you. Mine is at 82% now. So we're just going to keep this running and we'll be right back. Okay, so we are back from restarting. So now we're going to go to System again, and this settings actually. So, well, either or. So we need to check to see. There you go. So now we have Windows 11 Pro installed and ready to go. And then we can check to see on the system what comes up. So if you go back to your system and take a look at it, you should see the different changes here. So mine is loaded. So now if you scroll down to activation, you can see now the edition has changed and the product key and activation. Okay, so this is fine, but it says Windows 11 Pro. So now this is where from here we're going to go through the activation piece to get your system now activated as Windows 11 Pro. Alright folks, so as you can see, like I said, we're here. Don't worry about this code. Is just basically saying it can't connect to the internet. Alright, which is fine. So we're going to go back here and we are going to go to network connections. This is where you want to turn back on so it can be your network connections that you disabled earlier. I'm going to go back and turn them on here. So here now we'll enable this and we'll turn back on your network connections here. So now that your network connections are good to go, this is where now this is the part where you're going to upgrade. Not upgrade, activate. This is where you're going to activate your key. So as you can see, we still have this, no worries. This is where you're going to change your key. Now make sure it says 11 Pro here, and then we're going to type in our key. Okay, so I'm going to pause and put my key in, and then we're going to click next. All right, follow along. All right, so I already just put my key in now, so it's asking to activate Windows. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and click on activate here. And if your key is good to go and it's a legit key, Windows should activate momentarily. There you go. So as you can see, it took my key that I purchased, and then now it's activating the key. So this is saying Windows can't activate on this device because it was already using another device. Yada yada yada. So don't know. This is probably because of whoever I bought the key from is probably an issue. No worries, I'll just try to reach out to them and get it. But you guys get the gist of what I'm saying is you need to make sure you put a key in. So I'm gonna try to get a different key and reactivate. Alright guys, update. So I reached out to get this key fixed that I purchased. For some reason that one wasn't working, so they sent me another key. So we're gonna test it now to see if it actually does activate, so I could get this Windows copy working. So it's saying by activating, yep, so Windows is activated and voila. So this is what you want to see. You want to see Windows is activated, and you want to see right there, you want to see active. So when I click close, now Windows is activated, and this it has a digital license. So that is it, guys. Really simple, not too hard. I know we went through a few little complications, but you guys got your keys activated through the process. So remember, 2 steps: upgrade first, and then activate afterwards. So until next time, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and until next time, we'll catch you guys later.